In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your selfie look more stylish with Gemini AI. We'll keep this simple and focused so you can follow along in real time. Start by opening your Gemini account. Make sure you're signed in and connected to a stable internet connection so uploads and generations don't stall. If you're on desktop, have your selfie file handy. If you're on mobile, keep the photo in your gallery for quick access. Choose a clear selfie where your face is well lit and not heavily filtered. That gives Gemini the best foundation to work from. Next, click the plus icon. This opens a fresh space for your project and reveals the option to bring in media. If you don't immediately see the upload controls, look near the message box or toolbar. Gemini usually keeps it right where you start typing. Now upload your image. Select your selfie from your device and wait for it to fully appear on the screen before moving on. Large, high-quality photos generally produce better results, so aim for a sharp image with your face centered. If your background is cluttered, that's fine. The prompt we'll use will handle the background change for you. Once your image is in place, enter your prompts exactly as follows. Transform my selfie into a glamorous studio portrait with professional lighting and soft focus effect. Replace my outfit with a chic, high-fashion look and change the background to a luxurious studio setting. You can paste that in one go. This tells Gemini how to style your lighting, your outfit, and the setting, all in a single, clear instruction. If you prefer a specific color palette or fashion era, you can add a short note at the end, but keep the core phrasing intact for consistent results. Then wait patiently until it generates your prompts. Processing time can vary depending on your image size and current server load, so give it a moment to work. You'll see the transformation appear once Gemini finishes interpreting your request and applying the changes. If the first result isn't exactly what you had in mind, lightly tweak a word or two, like changing soft focus to cinematic glow or high fashion to runway couture, and run it again. Small, targeted edits usually produce the most predictable improvements. That's all there is to it. By opening your Gemini account, clicking the plus icon, uploading your image, entering the prompt, and waiting for the generation, you'll create a polished, studio-style portrait that looks elevated and stylish while still feeling like you.